Hello everyone, how are you today? For this video, I am your host Tawhid. Today I will tell you why should we learn Flutter and what kind of feature Flutter has to offer for us, for developers, and also what is the future of Flutter if we learn Flutter now. For today's video, I prepared a brief explanation for this video. Then let's get started. If I give a brief explanation what is Flutter, then Flutter is an open source UI toolkit developed by Google that enables developer to build native compile application for multiple platforms using a single code base. It is a widely used to create app for iOS, Android, web, Windows, Mac, and Linux. It means you can write one code but run in multiple devices like Android, iOS. On this example, you can see here. In the next line, Flutter uses Dart programming language, a programming language also developed by Google, known for its easy to use, speed, and efficiency. Now let's get started with feature Flutter has to offer for developer. In number 1, you can see single code base for multiple platform. Write once, deploy across multiple platform, reducing development time and effort. If I explain this line, then if you write a app with a native framework or language, you have to write different code for different platform. Likewise, if I want to make an Android app, then I want to write with a different language, and if I write for iOS, then I have to write code with a different language like Swift. That's why Flutter reducing development time and effort. You can write one code. If I give an example, if you build an app with Flutter, fully functional app, then you can run this app on Android and iOS both. In the number 2 is hot reload. With this hot reload feature, you can instantly see the result of code changes without restarting the app, enabling faster iteration and debugging. What is it says? If you write a code and after that if you make some changes on this code, you will see instantly rebuild your app on your emulator or a physical device. You don't have to restart the whole app to see the changes. And number 3 is rich widget. Flutter offers a wide variety of customizable widgets that adhere to the material design for Android and Cupertino for iOS standard. It means Flutter offers inbuilt widget for Android like material design or material app, and iOS is a Cupertino design, is a Cupertino widgets. Number 4 is performance. Flutter's apps are deployed directly into native machine code, ensuring high performance similar to native app. What Flutter does? Flutter compile or translate the app like a native app would do, native code would do, native compiler would do, and that's why Flutter app runs smoother on the device for Android and or iOS. It doesn't matter. And number 5 is declarative UI. Flutter uses a declarative programming style for building UI, which makes code more readable and maintainable. And number 6 is customizable and fast rendering. Powered by key rendering engine, Flutter ensures smooth animation and allow for creating custom design. Imagine you add an animation on your Flutter app. Then you will see your animation will render smoothly as possible for this key rendering engine. Number 7 is Dart programming language. Dart programming language has feature like just in time, or its short JIT, and ahead of time, in short AOT, compilation improve development speed and runtime performance. Number 8 is community and ecosystem. A thriving ecosystem of package and plugin supported by an active community and Google. Flutter has a huge size of community. That's why Flutter is easy to learn. If you stuck on a problem, you get help from the community. Number 9 is built-in test support. Integrated tools for unit, widgets, and integration testing. Number 10 is native integration. Number 10 is native integration. Seamlessly interact with platform-specific functionalities by plugging or custom platform channel. Now we will talk about why should we learn Flutter. First of all, number 1 is cross-platform development. As I said earlier in this video, Flutter saves time and resources by rebuilding develop to create application for multiple platforms with a single code base. Like as I said earlier, you can write one code and run multiple devices. With this feature, you will shorten your development time and increase your performance on your app. High demand. Flutter is gaining immense popularity in the tech industry. Many companies prefer Flutter due to its cost efficiency and rapid development cycle. Number 3 is developer friendly tools. Rich text, documentation, hot reload feature, and supportive community make Flutter an ideal choice for both beginner and experienced developer. Number 4 is open source and free. Being an open source, Flutter is freely available, which eliminate licensing cost for companies and developers. Number 5 is future-proof technology. Google actively maintain and support Flutter, ensuring that it remain relevant and evolve with industry needed. Versatility. Whether you are building a small business app, an e-commerce platform, or a complex enterprise solution, Flutter can handle it all. Number 7 is career opportunities. Flutter expertise open door to roles in startup, established companies, and freelancing opportunities. Now, if I give a conclusion of it, learning Flutter and Dart is a valuable skill for developer aiming to build high performance, visually appealing, and cross-platform app efficiency. Its combination of modern feature and simplicity make it an excellent choice for industrial and businesses alike. Now then, that is my presentation for this video. Now, if I tell you why should you learn Flutter, for my opinion, then Flutter is a easy framework and Dart also easy language to learn, because the other language are pretty hard, but Flutter and Dart, it's compared to them, it's pretty easy. And Flutter is a future-proof technology, so you should consider learning Flutter for your skill. That's for today. Thank you for staying with me and listening to my talk. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel also.